Everything you've been told about CRM management is a lie. The database is dead. If you're still paying for a place to store contacts, you're wasting money. For a decade, we were told the CRM is the source of truth. But let's be honest, it's just a digital filing cabinet that requires a full-time employee to maintain. We've spent the last year auditing the frontier of AI agents, tools that don't just store data, but actually execute sales. By 2026, the best CRM won't be the one with the cleanest UI. It'll be the one that replaces your SDRs. In this video, I'm breaking down the death of manual data entry and the rise of autonomous sales agents. Whether you're currently locked into HubSpot, Pipedrive, Go High Level, or Salesforce, the game is changing. I'm going to show you how to stop managing a database and start deploying a digital workforce. Let's dive in. Let's be honest, your CRM isn't a tool. It's a digital filing cabinet. You pay hundreds of dollars a month for the privilege of manually typing in names and emails. Think about your current pipeline. When was the last time it was actually accurate? Probably not today. Maybe not even this week. That's the CRM trap. You're hired to grow the business, but you spend 40% of your time acting as a data entry clerk. Your sales team hates it. Your ops manager is drowning in data cleanup tasks. And the worst part, the data is dead the moment it hits the screen. By the time you follow up, the lead has already moved on to a competitor who actually responded in real time. You aren't managing a relationship, you're managing a database. And in 2026, a database is a liability, not an asset. If your growth depends on a human remembering to move a card from laid to qualified, you don't have a system. You have a hope and a prayer. So what's the alternative? Stop thinking of your CRM as a digital Rolodex. Stop treating it like a filing cabinet for leads that go to die. In 2026, the best CRM isn't a place to store data, it's a nervous system. We are moving from the era of systems of record to systems of action. Let's be honest, the traditional CRM model is broken. You pay for expensive seats. Your sales reps spend 40% of their week doing manual data entry. You're paying humans to act like robots. That ends now. Enter the autonomous sales agent. This isn't a chatbot. It's not some basic if this then that automation. An AI agent can reason. It can research. And most importantly, it can execute. Here is how the 2026 workflow actually looks. A lead hits your landing page. In the old world, they get a thanks for reaching out email and wait 24 hours for a human to call. In the agentic world, the AI triggers instantly. It scrapes the lead's latest LinkedIn post. It analyzes their company's latest quarterly report. It identifies a specific pain point. Then it drafts a hyper-personalized outreach that feels like it took a human 3 hours to write. It doesn't just send the email. It monitors the inbox. It handles the objections. It checks your calendar. And it books the meeting. The human only enters the loop when the lead is qualified and the meeting is set. Now, does this mean the big players are dead? Not exactly. Tools like HubSpot and Salesforce are evolving. They aren't just databases anymore. They are becoming the infrastructure that these agents live on. If you're using Go High Level, you're already seeing this with advanced snapshots and workflow triggers. If you're on Pipedrive, you're focusing on the pipeline velocity. But the secret is this: the best CRM of 2026 is whichever one has the most open API and the best integration for AI agents. Stop buying a CRM for its features. Stop caring about how pretty the dashboard is. Start asking one question: how easily can an AI agent take action on this data without me touching a button? That is the shift. The database is the foundation, but the agent is the engine. If you're still manually moving leads from stage 1 to stage 2, you aren't running a business. You're running a data entry firm. Now you might be wondering, if traditional CRMs are dead, what do I actually use? The truth is, the winners aren't disappearing, they're evolving into the agents we just talked about. If you want an all-in-one engine that automates the entire lead journey, Go High Level is the move. For those scaling enterprise-level AI layers, Salesforce and HubSpot are integrating the autonomous tools needed to kill manual data entry. And if you need a streamlined, lean pipeline that doesn't feel like a chore, Pipedrive is still the gold standard. When you stop treating your CRM as a digital filing cabinet and start treating it as an AI workforce, the results are immediate. We are talking about 0-second response times and pipelines that qualify themselves while you sleep. Stop fighting your software. I've linked the best versions of these tools in the description below. Grab the one that fits your stage and start building your autonomous sales machine today.